Hi, I'm Paul Noe, staff horticulturist here at Star Nursery, but you might know me better as Dr. Q. Since 1983, as our communities have grown, so have we. Today you can find Star Nursery garden centers throughout southern Nevada, southern Utah, and northern Arizona. We take pride in sourcing the best trees, plants, flowers, and shrubs that thrive here in our desert environment. We've developed soils, fertilizers, and foods under the Dr. Q name that are specifically formulated for our tough desert earth. You'll find proven performance with our premium products: Dr. Q's Pay Dirt Planting Mix and Mulch, Dr. Q's Filthy Rich Gold Potting Soil, and Dr. Q's Filthy Rich Succulent and Cactus Mix. When it comes to fertilizers, we've got just what the doctor ordered, including Dr. Q's Gold Dust Starter Fertilizer, Sod and Seed Starter, and for the best foods, look no further than Dr. Q's Tomato, Vegetable, and Herb Food, Citrus, Fruit and Nut Tree, Tree, Shrub, and Vine, Rose Food, and Desert Plant and Cactus Food. We also offer all the tools and dry goods you need to be a successful gardener. Looking for advice on your next project? Star Nursery provides educational information throughout our stores, including our signage and hundreds of star notes that identify the best plants to grow in specific areas of your landscape. Additionally, we offer more irrigation supplies than anywhere else. Our decorative rock yards have a variety of colors and sizes for you to choose from. We're not just an ordinary nursery, we're Star Nursery Garden Centers, serving our Southwest communities since 1983. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.